This is what you call burning coal. Fucking hell. No less. Fucking hell. Before the climate protesters get on here. Fucking hell. Fuck me. Sorry, language. Ovico Ford cab, designed by Ford team. Fucking amazing. We just saw some devastating, amazing work from. You just said that. Oh lordy me, look at this one. Injectors are max, if there are injectors. Don't even think there are. These are quite incredible. Look, that might actually be a Scania V8 in that one. Is it a Vegas? Go on, well done. And the other guy did a really good job as well. Special thanks to him.